The magical tree. Once upon a time, in a green meadow, there was a beautiful tree with sprawling branches. A kind-hearted girl named Lily loved sitting under its shade. One sunny afternoon, Lily settled beneath the tree, her favorite book in hand. As she read, a gentle breeze rustled the leaves. Suddenly, a tiny door materialized on the trunk. Curious, Lily opened the door and found a cozy room inside the tree. A soft, fluffy rabbit greeted her. "Welcome, Lily. I'm Benny. This tree is magical." Benny showed Lily a treasure trove of colorful flowers, sparkling stones, and glittering butterflies. Together, they played hide-and-seek among the branches. As the sun began to set, Benny led Lily to a hidden window. "Watch," he said. The sky transformed into a kaleidoscope of colors, a breathtaking sunset. Lily hugged Benny. "Thank you for the adventure." From that day on, Lily visited the magical tree every day, exploring its secrets and friendship with Benny. Moral: even in quiet moments, magic can be found.